Welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing to find the largest of the three numbers using if statement and operator. Okay. So let us say that we have defined three variables. Say I say num1, okay, num2 and num3, right? So these are the three variables we are studying, okay, and three variables, right? Okay. Okay, fine. And so let me take another variable or simply we not required now. Okay. Now thing is, let us write printf, enter the value for the three numbers, right? Okay. And then scanf, SEANF, scanf, okay. And then percentage D. Let us store the three values together only. Okay, percentage D, okay, all right, or otherwise we do it on a single way, that will be better. Ampersand, num1, okay, right, so let's copy, okay, right, fine. So num1, num2 and num3, right, okay. So let me write a print statement, printf, the three numbers entered. Okay, so we have num1, num2 and num3, okay, and we put here percentage d, gap, percentage d and percentage d, okay. Let me save it. Let me run the program. Oh, semicolon is not there, so save and then again run. So let me enter, say I enter 2, okay, 3 and 4. So I've entered 2, 3 and 4, okay. So now the logic, okay. So we have three numbers and we have to find the logic. So it's simple. If, okay, so I just say if num1 is greater than num2, okay, and okay, right, sorry, okay, and num1 is greater than num3, okay, then I will write printf the greatest of the three numbers is percentage d and it will be num1, right, okay. So that means if I am having num1 equal to 2, okay, num2 equal to 4, okay, say, and num3 equal to suppose is 5, right. So now we see num1 greater than num2. So num1 greater than num, is it true? No, this is false, right? Similarly, num1 greater than num3, this is also false. And we know by the table, okay, so false and, okay, false will give you false. And as a result, this statement will not execute. Correct? Yes? Fine. So similarly, I have checked for num1, okay. Now I will do for num2. So the statement will be same, okay. So I copied it, I paste it, okay. So now num2, if it is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3, so we have the greatest number equal to num2, correct. So similarly we'll do it for num3, again copy and paste, okay. So now we have here num3 greater than num1 and num3 greater than num2, okay. So greatest number is num3, right? Okay, let me save it. Okay, right? So we have taken three numbers and if statement. If num1 is greater than num2 and num2, as I said, false and false will give you false, right? Right? False and false will give you false, and similarly, false and true also will give you false. Only true and okay, true and true will give you true, right? That's it. Correct? Yes. That means both the statement has to be true. So that means num2 must be greater than num1 and num2 must be greater than equal to num3. Then this particular statement will going to execute. So let me save and we'll take we'll run it with the three so that the three statement will going to execute. Okay. So let me execute first. So let's say I will put num1 greater value. Okay. So let's say it is 6, then it is 5, then it is 3. So we got 6. So num1 is greater, right? So this statement has executed. Correct? Right? Now let us see for num2. So I put here 3, I put here 6, I put here 3. So num2 now is greater. So I should get 6 again. I got 6. Okay? Right? Next I execute for num3. Okay, let's say this is 3, this is 6, and this is 9. So now 9 is greater and it is num3. So I will get num. So we got 9. Okay, so this is one of the most simplest way in order to find the greatest of three number using the if statement, okay, and using the and operator, right? So in the if statement we are using this two. One, we are doing the relations, whether it is logically we're saying that num1 is greater than num2. Then you are using the and operator, okay, and again we are saying that num1 is greater than num3, okay. And according to the and operator table, we know that false and false is false, false and true is also false, true and true is also false, and also we know that true and false is also false, right? So if num1 is greater than num2 but num1 is not greater than num2, so we don't have the greatest number, right? Okay, so let me revisit again. So we took three variables, num1, num2, num3, okay, and we are finding out the greatest of the three number using if statement and an operator, okay. And we simply writing if num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3, right? So the greatest of the three number will be the num1, okay. So because we know if both the condition are true, then it will be true. So num1 is greater than num2, num1 is greater than num3, we have this, okay, right? And if num2 is greater than num1, num2 is greater than num3, then we have num2. So okay, and by using this we have formed the greatest of two numbers, okay. So I will suggest that you remove this and use the or operator and see what the results comes out, okay, right? Okay, thank you.